Alright guys, so the last situation we can occur with this ambiguous case is where we get a problem with no solution. So let's say I'm given these parameters. A is 50 degrees, side A is 10, and side B is 20. We would solve this using the law of sines one more time. So I can set up my law of sines. 10 sine 50 is 20 over sine B. Now, setting up this problem in this manner, we're again using law of sines because we have an angle across from a side. That's when we use law of sines. I can solve this problem now, and again, pause it if you need to kind of do some time to calculate on your own. But eventually, I would get down to sine B equals about 1.532 and change. Okay? Now, typically, like we did in the earlier example, I would now use inverse sine to solve this problem. Well, if you type in inverse sine of 1.532, you're going to have an error in your calculator. And here's the reason why. Sine B, sine of an angle, equals 1.532. The output of sine of this angle is 1.532. Well, can your output of a sine function be greater than 1? No. Think about the range of a sine function. Your range of a sine function, the highest that it can ever be, is 1. Your sine function cannot exceed 1. So this is going to produce an error. So B is not or you're not going to get an answer for angle B. Here's the reason why. This is essentially what this means. You're getting an error because this is really not a triangle. Really, this probably triangle would be drawn something like this. So I can't get the sine of an angle because sine, cosine, tangent, etc. They're referring to triangle and trigonometry of that nature. Well, this doesn't even form a triangle. So that's why it's completely invalid and I would have no solution. No solution simply means no triangle formed. So let's review one more time. We could have no solution, which means no triangles formed. We could have two solutions, where we would have two different triangles formed given the certain parameters. Or we could have one solution where only one triangle can be formed. Those are the three different scenarios you will encounter when you do the ambiguous case. Alright, let me know if you guys have any questions. Email me, Google Classroom, etc. Stay safe out there.